Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the night stream. Appreciate you. Been kind of a slow news week. Aside from maybe like the Nintendo Direct and Elden Ring DLC. But hey, you know what? People are a little bit outraged in Apex Legends. And the devs saw this coming. They warned us. Let's take a look at it. If you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe. It always helps me out. So, via the Certo, yet again, Apex Legends players admit devs were right as solo mode gets ruined. I think we all kind of saw this coming. Not to be fair, I kind of wanted just a mix up and have them bring solos back, but how is solos being ruined? Well, there's teamers and cheaters. Surprise. Read the article. Despite many calling for solos to return, the Apex Legends community has now come to realize why the devs have been against bringing the mode back for a long time. The temporary return of solos mode was supposed to be an exciting moment for the game's player base, that is, until issues of teamers and cheaters became rampant. Now, if you're unaware what teamers are, so solos, you drop solo, right? But people will team up in the game. Even though they're playing against each other, they'll team up together to wipe out everyone else. It's a form of what would you call it? Cheating, or would you call it an exploit? You're really not cheating. You're just exploiting the game, right? Let me know down in the comments how you feel about that. But cheaters, of course, they're all over the place, especially with online multiplayer. Now, Apex Legends fans are facing the music. They have discovered that the devs may have been right to keep solos away. Though they claim they'd never be bringing back solos, as recently as January 2024, the mode came back. It's already being ruined by the player base. Doesn't surprise me. Let's take a look at what they have here. Why do people do this in solos? Take a gander.
Where did he get shield from? There's two niggas teaming with each other! It's two Pathfinders! Why are you teaming? Stop!
Yeah, so there's, like you said, there's two Pathfinders on one dude. There's one comes.
Why is there two Pathfinders teaming with each other? Kill each other! What are you... I got it in 4K! It's crazy!
Look at them all go! They're all teaming. Oh, man, that's infuriating. See here. Even with the mode set to disappear soon, players want it gone immediately. You know what? Bring back arenas. Bring back the 3v3 arenas. How about that? I don't know how you guys felt about arenas, but I would play that game all night. Arenas or bust, even with ranked arenas. Loved it. And I would win quite often. My teammates were fantastic. I'd come through every once in a while, In one Reddit post, a user shares a video of their character dealing with a group of teamers. In terms, refers to the players band together in free-for-all game mode. That's what we just saw. As the player mentions in their post, the first time I saw it, I thought it was funny, but now it's annoying. I've seen it 5 times this season. 5 times, one too many, to be honest. Another post on subreddit shows a glaring example of cheating as they spectate a player who lands every shot without even aiming before eventually winning the match. Oh, that's enraging. Can we get this? Can we get this bigger? It's a little bigger for you. Video? Yeah. Alright, so he's going to spectate. Oh my gosh. Amazing hipfire, huh? Yeah, okay, how much do we have left? Oh, that was 3 minutes? We don't need to scrub through. I want to just see the chaos. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you play like this, you're a loser. I'm sorry. I don't care if you're 10, 9, 8, 15, you're a bigger loser if you're an adult and you play like this. Like, I have nothing good to say about you. Probably fun at parties. Actually, if you play like this, you probably have no life. You are legitimately a loser, and nobody wants to hang out with you. So this is what you do to make yourself feel good. You cheat in a video game, and, you know, boost your confidence when the idea of talking to a girl in the real world scares the death out of you. But hey, you're cool, man. You're a cheater. Cheat on Apex, and look at how big and big balled you are here. Anyway, so I think we get the picture, right? We get the picture. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. These two videos are just a couple of examples of the state that Apex Legends Solos is in. I've taken a back seat on Apex for a little bit, and I haven't played solos for this reason, because I'm not going to deal with it. I don't have time to. It's showing fans why the devs were hesitant to bring it back. As one user explains, I think this is the main reason why the devs didn't want to return the solo mode for a long time. Now we have it as proof, or something like that. Ding, 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 ding. In fact, Respawn discussed the issues with solos in January 2024 Game Informer interview, man, Game Informer. I remember I used to go to the store every month for a new Game Informer back in the day. That's how old I am. In it, lead legend designer Devin McGuire explained how playing alone went against the game's philosophy, saying, "A single character should never be the answer to every problem. They should be part of the team dynamic. That's what creates interesting strategies in the game." You know what, Devin? I think you're right. He's right. Anyways, so this is another reason why I take back seats in these online multiplayer games. It's just the cheating tends to be rampant, or they find an exploit. Like I said, leave a comment down. You made it this far. Leave a comment. Is teaming an exploit, or is it cheating? Or is it a mixed bag of both? Is that even possible? I don't know. But I think when the new season comes out, I'll be jumping back into Apex Legends, and you'll probably be seeing some killer replays of me just squad smashing. They need to bring back arenas. How do you guys feel about arenas? That's the main question. I loved flipping arenas. Bring that back, and I will be jumping on quite often, and maybe, you know, start streaming again some more Apex, because it's fun to watch. How are you enjoying this season of Apex 2, by the way? Let me know down in the comments. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.